Hey folks, this is my 1952 4-8M farm tractor that I purchased earlier this year. So what I'm doing today is swapping out my proof meter or hour meter. Right now it's actually showing 2202 hours on it. It's been on there for quite some time. For all I know, it could be original. When I bought the tractor, I was told that it wasn't working. And when I checked the cable that actually goes from the back of the proof meter, as you can see, it's routed down there, right into there. The inside of the cable is actually broken also, so I do have a new cable on order. The cable is similar to a tack cable on a motorcycle. So again, I do have one on order. So what I'm going to do today is swap out the gauge and put in the new one, and as soon as the cable comes in I can install it. And again, there's my new oil pressure gauge and my new amp meter, and you'll see a video later on the installation of the amp meter. So what I'm going to do first is unscrew the back of the proof meter, and before I do that I'll just show you the new one. So this is the new proof meter, and it's actually showing that I've already put 0.3 hours on the tractor. So this is the back of the proof meter. So on the old one there's two retaining nuts that you need to take off, and this part of the bracket will actually slip off, and then you can pull the proof meter right out. So that's what I'm going to do. This here is actually a light, and I'll wire that later on to the light switch on the tractor. This is the back of the proof meter, so I'm going to take out that nut and the nut on the other side, and I'll unscrew this old cable. Again, this cable is no good. It will be going in the garbage once I get the new one, just to double check for length, and I believe it's 32.5 inches in length. So I'm going to take out these nuts, which will take out this bracket, and then the old proof meter will slip right out the front. So I've got the two retaining nuts off. It was a 3/8 socket I had to use. So the next step on the back of the proof meter, this is the bracket that actually holds it in from sliding out the front. Just put that aside, and then it should just pull out as long as it's not rusted in there. least now I'm going to have gauges that actually work, because none of the gauges worked on it. I'm the type of person, if I have something on my tractor, I want it to work. I hate looking at a dead gauge. So again, the next step with the Proofmeter is to install the cable. Hopefully that will be coming in soon, and we'll get that all set up, and that way I can start keeping track of the hours. Again, the old one was 2,202 hours, and the new one is at 0.3 hours right now without even running. I would assume that was from testing at the factory. Anyways guys, it's just a short video on showing the new gauges all wired up, and again it's hooked to the headlight switch. The only reason I did that is because the only time I'm really going to need the light on is at nighttime anyway. So it was easy, one wire from the back of the light plug on the back of the gauge to the headlight switch, and the doesn't require ground because it actually grounds on the back of the gauge. So it's one wire install, so you can't get any easier done. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. The next video is going to be hooking up the amp meter and checking that out. And later on down the road, if you follow my channel, I've been doing some work on my 2006 Smart Car Passion, so if you want to subscribe and stay tuned for some cool videos on that little project. And again, I'll be doing a few more videos on the old tractor, and once we get a little more snow, we'll be doing some plowing. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.